Tagtama.
Organize ang ganito malaking convention, no? Motorcycle convention. Pero parang gising na
Hawa mo, mami.
ano ba itong ginagawa natin every year? Can you give us an overview?
We're the National Federation of Motorcycle Clubs of the Philippines. This represents this is the umbrella organization of all the bike clubs.
No.
The objective basically of hosting this
Ano po, ma'am?
unite all those bikes together in one fellowship and to share their riding experience.
Dito sa 27th,
Hawak ba?
motorcycle natin, ilang clubs ang
Gaano na good?
From US, Germany,
Awa naman.
Chicago. So from all over. So aside from 5 clubs, meron bang mga inuunahan na mga bisita? May mga VIPs tayo. Yes. Expect.